Okay, this is Patrick Forster on the 2012 Turkey Paddle. It's about 40 degrees and very windy. And I have first time ever kayak sailor, Todd Morgan, friend of mine from high school, experienced kayaker but hasn't done this before. We're going to stay close to shore so he can push himself to the limit. But if you want to take your chances, alright. Alright, we're doing about 4.5 to 5 miles an hour right now. And I'm going to get close. You can see what kind of control we have. Okay, paddle up since you have the smaller sail. Alright, I'm going to go upwind and look back at Alan. Alright, here comes the gust. There comes the speed. I'll be right back. Okay, I went upwind just to take a longer line because Todd's slower with that sail he has. It's smaller and he's just not as comfortable. So long line, do that sort of thing with a pocket sail. Now I'm starting to take off. I would say it's about jibe time. There we go. I pulled off a jibe. I have the paddle. It's in my hands. I'm not even holding my paddle. I mean, that's with some experience. You can do this too if you use common sense. Like stay very close to shore, like I told, in cold weather, because the water's very cold. So my buddy who doesn't have a lot of experience is staying right on shore. Well, here we are. We're actually going down a moving river with the sails up. We're in a channel that things pick up, but no problem here. Even with Todd, first time kayak sailor, he crossed the river. It was a little dicey, I thought, for a moment, but he did fine. Good. Well, all right. See y'all on the water. Okay. What island is this?
Abaddon.
Okay, Maumee River with Abaddon Island, the river right. We're kayak sailing and we're getting ready to do a minor crossing. Slight challenge, maybe for Todd. You okay with this, Todd?
Dandy.
Awesome. We can always pull out and walk home now.
I think I'll stay dry.
All right.
It's gonna get wild.
Yep, Todd's definitely being a good sport. No surprise, there's some ducks. Okay, we have Todd. Don't slow down, Todd. We have Todd, first time kayak sailor with me. It's Patrick. And he's doing good. We're in good shape, I think. Good time. I have a bigger sail, so I take off. I'm not even using my paddle right now. You do not have to have outriggers. You can get them if you want, but it's a waste. At least for what I like to do. All right. How's it going, Todd?
Just ducky.
Do you feel like you're under control?
Yep.
What were you anticipating?
Probably this.
About this? All right. Okay. I'm not paddling. I have my paddle on my lap here. Todd, first time kayak sailor. He's paddling. And because my sail's bigger, I'm just going to take off. But we're doing an easy 6 right now, and we're heading to Rossford. And we're concerned to be pushing it too much, but looks like Todd's in great control. We did a little crossing. We can stay in water that's knee deep the whole way if we decide to do that. All right, here comes a good one. Yeah, Still. Surf your paddle. Use your paddle as a surf. Alright? Or like water skiing, basically. Awesome. I'm going to come around in front of you. Use my speed. You're going pretty good there, Todd. Awesome. Okay, another gust.
Like what you're saying, it's more stable once you're in steady wind to have that lean and be on the upwind side.
Alright, here we go. Nice gust. We're probably doing 6.5. Easy. First time kayak sailor, Todd Morgan. Experienced kayaker, but first time kayak sailor. Let's all head closer to land. I'm going to go upwind and slow down. Oh, nice gust. Whoa. No hands still. No hands. I'm doing 7-8, no doubt. Well, now that we're in open water, the waves are building and the wind is stronger. It's a slightly different story. We'll see how Todd's doing now. He's staying close to shore. Good idea. And I'm going no paddle. Whoa. No paddle. Whoa. Still no paddle. We're doing an easy 7-8 burst there. Nice. Let's see what the boy does. He's getting wet. Luckily we're in the city and we can pull out anywhere. So it's not too bad of an idea. Here comes another gust. Whoa, I don't use my... Alright, I'm still sailing. Which is a good choice. And Todd's staying real close to land, which is a very good choice. It is extremely windy. I guess 30. I don't know if you get a measure of this. It's very windy. Alright. Okay. Here we are in a lull. We've had some nice gusts there, haven't we, Todd?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you didn't notice, those are pretty big gusts. Here's land going by. We're definitely moving. We're not even going that fast as what we were before. We were flying. Here we are in the Maumee River between Perrysburg and Rossford on our 2012 turkey paddle with Todd. We're in a lull. It's been very, not gusty, but when the gusts come, they're big. All right. Since I have the bigger sail, I'm going to go a lot faster than Todd. Nice gust. I'm going no hands here. And we're seeing about you can paddle or not paddle. Todd's paddling because he has the smaller sail. Alright. Have a good one. Stay safe. We're right near shore. Here's a gust. Nice gust. Whee! I'm just taking off. Yep. I think we're seeking shelter from the torrential wind. It just about is, really. Well, not hurricane, but it is very windy. Extremely windy. And Todd's holding his own. We're all very impressed. Yeah, when we get out into the open water, it's going to get windy real fast. right. Oh, you're doing good without the rudder. I should have unlocked it, loaded all my gear in there for you. Just got out. There's Todd in the car. It is snowing hard. At least, yeah, I've seen harder, but we were just paddling in that. What a great time. That was a very good paddle. Safe paddle. We made it. We made right choices. Onshore wind, skill, have some skill, and a good group of adequate skill levels. That could be it for 2012.